Good afternoon, I'm Steve. This is Bit of Munch. And for this video, we got some chocolate. Got this. Got this from Aldi. I believe it's their own brand. Yes, it is. Well, specially produced for Aldi. So, yeah, it's a pretty substantial bar. I don't know if you can tell. It's really thick. It's 200 grams. £1.49, which is good. And it says a Choceur, smooth caramel milk chocolate. A delicious milk chocolate combined with a smooth caramel centre makes Choceur caramel a real chocolate treat. Yes, milk chocolate with caramel crème filling. Oh, yeah. Right. I love caramel. You might have noticed there's a bit of a theme developing here. I love caramel. I hate wrappers that are difficult to get undone. Here we go. Yeah, I love caramel. I love crisps. It's difficult to make the whole channel, not just crisps and caramel chocolate, to be honest. Try and get some other things in there as well. But classy looking in a foil wrapper feels really nice. I'm easy pleased. I like the way it peels back. Have a sniff. Yep, chocolate. Oh, that broke really easily actually. Here we go. It's a piece of chocolate with, yeah, it's got a C on it. Is that for caramel or is it for chocolate? Or is it for Choceur? That's a shocker. Alright, okay. Tasting time. Yeah. That tastes really, really good quality. That's lovely. Lovely, smooth caramel. Good quality milk chocolate. I'm not sure what the cocoa solids are on this. 32%. But honestly, for £1.49, that's amazing. They did other. I hardly ever go to Aldi, hardly ever, because it's right up the other end of the town from where I live. It doesn't take that long to get there, about 20 minutes I suppose, 25 minutes. But there's nothing at that end of the town that attracts me up there apart from Aldi. But when I go next time, which will be a little while, I will definitely get more of this chocolate. I'll definitely get some more of the hot and spicy sausage rolls, which I've already done a video of and you might have seen. If you haven't, go and watch it, because they were good. Yeah, I recommend that chocolate. If you love caramel chocolate, you'll love it. What's not to like? It's great. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button please, and drop a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.